Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So here I am with another ThruNite flashlight video review. This is the Archer Pro V2. So I haven't opened it up to see what's in here yet. We will open this thing up. So as you know, if you follow my channel, I do a lot of ThruNite flashlight reviews. They just make some awesome flashlights. I have several of them now accumulated, and I have them tucked everywhere. So no matter where I go, I got a ThruNite light so I can see what I'm doing. This is kind of hard to open. I should have had a knife, I guess. Don't need the box anyway. Slide this out. It sounds like we got those little silicone beads broke loose in there. This is a red one. I opted to get a red one this time. Usually I get black. I thought, well, let's try a red one. Looks pretty cool. So here we go. So we do have a USB to USB-C charging cable. The cool part about this is you can plug this into your phone power brick. You can plug this into your car, your computer, whatever portable power station to charge this with. That is a cool feature. And we loosen this, and when you loosen that, there you can see your charging port. So basically this keeps, because it's O-ring, when you tighten this down, this will keep your charging port totally sealed and waterproof. Very thought out. So you just plug our USB-C right in there, plug this in, and we're charging. And one cool thing ThruNite does is they have this clip that's a two-way. You can see it opens up this way, also opens up this way. So basically, you can slide this down on your belt. You can also take this, which is cool, and you can slide it on the bill of your hat, like so. Now you have a light on your hat. You can put it on top or bottom, just like that. Now you can use it as a hat light. Shows on here, ThruNite Archer Pro V2. Okay, so as far as turning it on, we just have the end button right here. And if we hold that button down, we go into Firefly Mode, which is super low. It lasts like 15 days in Firefly Mode. That is a long time. So I referenced Firefly as far as caving. If you was in a cave and you're stranded in there, and 15 days worth of light would be pretty nice. It's not a lot of light, but in a pitch dark cave, be more light than you can imagine. You'd be proud to have it. So we turn it off. We just push it one time, it comes on. Now this has what's called infinity. Basically, when you hold this down, it's going to go all the way from bright to dim. You hold it down again, it goes all the way from dim to bright. And on both ends, it will flash to let you know that you're all the way bright or all the way dim. So it's all the way bright now. We'll hold it. It's going to start. There's all the way bright. Okay, we'll hold it. There it goes down. It will flash till it's all the way down. There you go. Hold it again. It's going to brighten. It'll flash again, showing we're all the way up. So if we double click this, we're going to go into turbo mode. Right there, which is the brightest power it has. If we triple click it, we'll go into strobe. And there's strobe. Okay, now as far as specifications, I'd like to mention some of this stuff here on top, like the working voltage of this is 2.75 volts to 4.2 volts. It's made out of aluminum. It's 6061T6. The surface, as far as that red on there, that is premium type 3 hard anodized red. The dimensions is 98 millimeter by 21 millimeter, and it only weighs 65 grams. As far as the modes here, on strobe mode, it is 115 lumens and will last 150 minutes. Firefly, which is at super low, 0.5 lumens, 15 days. Infinity low, which is all the way down, 13 lumens, 37 hours. Infinity high, now what it does on high, same thing it does on turbo. It actually starts out high. After so much time, it drops down in voltage and the intensity to save your battery and to keep from getting too hot. So it starts out in high at 430 lumens, lasts for 4 minutes. After that 4 minutes, it drops down to 190 lumens and lasts 140 more minutes. Turbo starts out at 950 lumens for 70 seconds. After the 70 seconds, drops down to 190 lumens, lasts 146 minutes. So as far as charging this thing, it does have a little indicator light, which is right here. When you plug that into your USB to charge it, It will be red when it's charging. When it's full charge, it will be blue. Okay guys, I am outside now and it is really dark. I got the light on right here. So here is the light. Take it out here and shine it at night. That's on bright. So we'll hold this, go down to infinity low right there, flashed, which is actually still pretty good. If you look out across there, see pretty darn good. See that tree? That's a mesquite tree. Well, here's a mesquite tree that's closer. Look up in it. Look down here. Make sure when I walk I don't step on a rattlesnake or something. You never know. Over here by the RV. So we'll hold this down. You can kind of, if you want, you could stop in the middle. Like right there. Give it a little more intensity, but not full intensity. Or just keep holding it. Then we go back down again. So we go back up. When it flashes, we're on high, infinity high right there. Of course, if we double tap it, now we're on turbo, which that dude is bright. It's crazy what you can get out of a little light. See all the mesquite trees back in here? Our property is mesquite trees everywhere. So let's take this thing and put it on the that's turbo. Ain't no need in doing strobe at night, really. Guess we could. That'd drive you nuts. It's so bright, too. Okay, but let's put this thing on the Firefly, which is the super, super low. Hold it down. There's Firefly. So you wouldn't think that'd be much, but the last 15 days, and like shine it over here on the trailer here. I mean, you can actually see with that thing. So like I was saying, if you're in a cave somewhere, something super dark, that could be very handy. 15 days, think about that. That's crazy. Okay, that's not bright enough. Not bright enough if there was a snake that I wouldn't be able to see it. Ooh, there's a stick. But, and I'm not actually scared of snakes. I don't want to step on one, but I'm not scared of them. So there goes a rabbit. I don't know if you guys seen it in the video. Peter Cottontail went running across there. He went right over in there. There he is, right there. There he goes. He's way back there. You can still see him right there. He went over in there somewhere. But look at this mesquite tree here. I mean, that thing, it shines a long ways. You see all them up in there. There's the big ones over here. There's the Jeep. So super cool. Okay, there you guys go. That's nighttime. Looking good. Okay guys, that is it for the ThruNite Archer Pro V2. That thing was bright. It's impressive. Impressive in the dark for such a small light. This would be cool to keep in your glove box, so your wife can keep in her purse. You can just pretty much carry this in your toolbox because it's tough aluminum. Carrying your motorcycle and your luggage be great to keep on your motorcycle with you. So thank you all for watching. I will post a link to this below where you can check this out on Amazon. The ThruNite Archer Pro V2. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.